Now that we have the layout for the computation of the F test, the first step will be to calculate the F value for the difference between each hospital and every other hospital. In this cell, we'll calculate the difference between Dare and Beaufort. According to the formula given in 10.5 on page 310, this is the squared difference between the two hospitals divided by 1 over the number of observations in each hospital summed, and this entire value is divided by the mean square within hospitals. So to begin that calculation, I'll put in equal and a left paren. I'll select the average cost for Dare, and I will fix that with $T4 so that I will always be operating in column T, then minus, and I'll select the average cost for Beaufort, and again I will fix that with an F4 so that I will always be operating in row 3. Then a second parentheses, and I will square that result. Now I will divide that result by the sum of 1 over the sample size for each county. Since there are 30 observations in each county, that will be 1 divided by 30 plus 1 divided by 30. Finally, I will add one more parenthesis to assure that this entire value will be divided by the mean square within hospitals. The mean square within hospitals is available right here in cell M15. And when I select that, as you can see I have done here, I will again fix it with an F4 so that I will always be selecting cell M15 as I move to finish all the calculations. Now when I hit enter, I get 0.202344, which is exactly the same value shown in figure 10.7. I'm going to drag that cell to the right, and I'll get the comparison for each of the hospitals with Dare. So the F value for the comparison of Dare to Beaufort is 0.2. The comparison of Dare to Albemarle is 0.59, approximately 0.6. And the F value for the comparison between Dare and Catawba is 9.4. Now I'm going to drag these two cells down one row, and I get the comparison between Beaufort and Albemarle and Catawba. Since I've already compared Beaufort to Dare, I don't need to calculate that a second time. And finally, I'll pull this one down, and here's the comparison between Albemarle and Catawba. Since there are 4 hospitals, there are 6 comparisons, and these are the resulting F values.